PSC Solar UK is an international wholesaler and engineering company that engages in the sales, installation and maintenance of solar photovoltaic products such as panels, inverters, storage systems, street lights, charge controllers and many more. With offices in Nigeria, United Kingdom and the United States, our company has over 30 years of experience in the sales and installation of products for various residential and utility scale photovoltaic projects in Africa, especially in West African countries. One of our featured products is the Werbat S06-12-220-3 storage system manufactured by Eternity Technologies, a leading manufacturer and seller of batteries used in various applications such as solar power plants, electric vehicles, UPS systems, forklift trucks, telecommunications and emergency lighting. This valve-regulated lead-acid battery uses the efficient gel technology design and is considered maintenance-free, as it requires no addition of electrolytes or water during its lifetime. The gel technology employs a gelified electrolyte in which the acid is turned into a solid jelly-like mass by the addition of silica gel that reduces the evaporation and spillage of the electrolyte and thereby protects the battery from corrosion, an issue that is commonly witnessed in conventional wet cell batteries. Also, the immobile electrolyte ensures that the battery is resistant to external shock and vibration. Since the battery is non-spillable, it is easily transported by air, water and land, and the presence of a high-class patented safety valve further increases the safety quotient of the product. This 12-volt battery has a C20 range capacity of 55 ampere-hours to 220 ampere-hours and is ideal for usage in systems with less power outage and long discharging time such as solar, home inverter, renewable energy and deep cycle applications. It has a low self-discharge rate of less than 3% per month when stored at a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius that enhances the shelf life of the battery, which means that it can be stored for a longer time of up to 2 years without being used and would still work with the same capacity as like before. Their battery offers a longer cycle life of up to 1,200 cycles with 80% depth of discharge at 25 degrees Celsius temperature as certified by the international IEC 61427 and 60896 standards. With a convenient broader operating temperature range of -20 to +60 degrees Celsius, this product could be used even in places with extreme environmental conditions, including those with drastic day-to-night temperature changes. The battery is 100% recyclable and the process occurs in a closed-loop manner, which means each part of the battery is recycled into a new battery. PSC Solar UK has an efficient network of sales and marketing professionals and ensures that quality solar products are delivered on time to customers across the globe. Contact us and we will be happy to provide you with excellent products and outstanding service.